Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back. Today all we will learn about the layer mask. So what is the purpose of the mask? You can hide the face, right? Thieves and robbers wear the mask to hide the face. Similarly, the purpose of this layer mask is to hide the layer. Guys, you can see I have this beautiful ballerina here and I have this text layer. I want to place this text layer behind my ballerina. Yet this is very easy, but today I will tell you how you can do this with the layer mask. The concept of layer mask is black the areas which hide and white are the areas which shows. Let me show you. If I select this layer and I click on this mask, you can see my mask is created. Guys, if you want to paint with the black color, let me show you. You have to take this brush, zoom out your picture and start painting here like this. On which text you want to hide, you have to select the black color. You can see if I press Alt and I click on this mask, you can see this black area is hidden and the white area shows up. I press Alt again and I click here. I will be back on my original layer. So now guys, I want to toggle between these colors. Simply press X on your laptop and you can see I have this my foreground color white. If I want to bring that my text back, I will simply paint here and you can see my text is coming back. So guys, that's why I say that the layer mask is non-destructive. You can take your text anytime back, but with the help of eraser tool that does not happen. So the layer mask is very useful. So guys, now again I'm toggling between these my colors by pressing X and you can see I have this black color above. If I paint here like this, you can see this is hiding and I am zooming out more. You can either create the shadows like this, these will look very beautiful. Somehow shadows. Okay guys, now I'm painting here with the help of my black brush. You can see black hides and the white will show up. The black is hiding. This is very easy. If you learn one time, you can use it free for your lifetime. You can use it very easy. And I love to paint with the help of these. Guys, you can see if I zoom out, you can see my text is behind my picture. If I press Alt and I click here, you can see the black is hidden and the white part is showing up. And simply, if you want to bring any of the text back, if you want to make it non-destructive, you can make it back with the help of painting on it with the help of white color. You have to select the white color then at that time. Okay guys, I will bring part 2 tomorrow inshallah. This is all for today. This is artist Rabia signing off. Hope you had liked my short tutorial. If you have not yet subscribed, then hit the subscribe button. Okay, Allah Hafiz.